The biggest challenges for any sales professional are finding customers, which is acquiring new customers to build pipelines, winning customers to convert potential leads into closure through value-based selling, and keeping customers, which is retaining and growing customers through account management. Forum, born out of Harvard Business School and a global leader, conducts Game Changer Selling Strategies Workshop. This condensed, proven 3-day workshop is designed and developed using Harvard research-based methodologies. Sales makers across the world, now in India, can get insights on path-breaking strategies and skills to find, win, and keep customers. This program is conducted by Rafiq, CTP, Certified Training Professional, a global sales practitioner and thought leader who has led sessions across South Asia, India, and USA. Register for the program now and be a sales superstar.